This tutorial will walk you through how to install and set up Authorize.net, AcceptJS, in VPCart 9. Firstly, download the module from VPCart website, Gateway download page. Unzip an AcceptJS 900.zip file, and upload all the files to your shopping cart folder, via FTP. Log into your VPCart admin panel, and execute setup file. The setup file is an AcceptJS_setup.asp. Click Install Now button. Click Next button. To configure the module, fill up the gateway details, and enable the module. Click Save button, once completed. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.